What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about a cool film tech gadget that has been a hot topic of conversation around my office. To be more specific, I'm talking about the Adobe Premiere Pro CC keyboard cover. It's really simple, but really neat. It's kind of a mouthful, I know. You hear that? It's stretchy. This specific one is made by Editor Keys, but there are a lot of different ones on the market. Now these are not just only for Premiere Pro, they're also for Final Cut, Photoshop. If there's software out there, there's probably editing keys for it. So find what you're looking for, find what suits you, and go for it. It's a great tool if you're a novice, a hobbyist, or a film professional like myself that works in a production of some sorts. This specific version is compatible with my MacBook Pro, late 2015 model, I think. As you can see in all the B-roll footage, but there's a lot of different versions that come out for different laptops and keyboards and stuff like that. You can get a keyboard cover that works with the new MacBook Pros with the touch bar and stuff that's really flat and sleek. There's over 100 editing shortcuts all over this thing, and I find that I do know a lot of the shortcuts by memory, but it's really helpful to just kind of browse around and see things you haven't seen before without going into the Premiere Pro preferences and finding out what they are, which can be really helpful to those of you who are new to the editing game. Now, those of you who are pro editors might not find much value in this because you've probably memorized all the shortcuts by now. But I can say that it is a really cool aesthetic to have on your desk. It is a wonderful conversation starter. Every other day, somebody sees my keyboard on my laptop while I'm at work, and they're like, "Oh, what's that on your laptop? That's a really cool cover. What is it for?" I'm like, "Oh, it's my shortcut cover for my favorite software. I use Premiere Pro all the time editing, and this lets everyone see what the shortcuts are." And when you start a cool conversation, I meet somebody new. This is just another way to pimp out my desk with stuff that I like for editing. And there's nothing wrong with investing in yourself as an editor. I mean, overall, there's really not too much to say about this. It's thin, lightweight silicone piece. I like to call it a keyboard condom as a joke, because it's kind of what it is. Keeps your keyboard clean, but you know, whatever. And for those of you who don't have a MacBook, don't despair. There are other products just like this for other computers. I also work on a PC workstation. There's another product called the Logic keyboard for Adobe Premiere Pro that you can buy that has all the keys all laid out. Looks really cool, looks great on a desk. And if you're interested in that kind of thing, I'll leave a link down below. Ideally, this will give you easy access to shortcuts that you don't know before and cut down on your editing time just by a fraction. And you'd be surprised how shortcuts can truly save you time over time. Something like that. This specific one retails for about 30 bucks. I'll leave a link down below. There are cheaper ones online that I would suggest going for if you are interested in something like this. And the actual keyboard that you buy that plugs in as an editing keyboard that doesn't have a keyboard cover but the keys are actually on there, it retails for about 120 bucks. I haven't looked in a while, but that's probably what it's around. So if you're willing to spend a little more cash to have a cool looking keyboard, I suggest going for it. Why not? I myself have a Corsair keyboard that just lights up and has RGB and looks really cool on the desk, and you know, it works for me. Now, if I had to give this product a rating, I'd give it a solid 3 out of 5. You don't need to have it, but it's pretty cool. Overall, my attitude toward gadgets is pretty simple. I try to get products that help me immerse myself in the editing process, that truly let me enjoy my work. Because at the end of the day, it's great to feel motivated and just have a good time, and ultimately become a better you, or in this case, an editor. I'll have all the product links down below in case you're interested. As always guys, thanks for watching, and feel free to hit that subscribe button, the like thing. No cost to you, but helps me out a ton. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.